Tracy Sarkodie, the president for Citizens for Better World of Yasanta Girls Senior High School. I've known Bade for the past 3 years to be our Scriptural Union coordinator and then preacher here on campus. He decided to bring up this NGO, which would educate our young generation of what they are going to be in the next years to come. I didn't hesitate to be a part of the NGO because for one, I was a part of Child's Rights, which in a way I would say was a neighboring club which went the same way as how he wanted to bring up the NGO. He's been preaching to us and then advising us on how we would spend our days here on campus, advising us socially. And then he wasn't only going to preach to us about our spiritual background, but also